Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is natural phenomena part 2. So let's talk about it. As human, we have played the nature so that the natural disaster like volcano, earthquake, tidal waves, flood and storm always occurs. So let's talk about it. Tornado. A tornado is powerful thunderstorm that appear as rotating funnel-shaped cloud. The funnel of spiraling winds extended from of the thunderstorm to the ground. The twister are very violent and destructive in nature. They are formed beneath thunder clouds. A tornado is known as twister. A tornado can spin faster than 400 km per hour and can move as fast as 100 km per hour across the land. A tornado finally loses its intensity and scatters. Hurricane, cyclone and typhoon. A hurricane is a violent and destructive storm. It develops from warm moist air over the ocean in the tropics. As the warm moisture-rich air over the ocean's surface rises, it forms an area of low pressure. Surrounding air rushes in to replace it. This air becomes warm and moisture-rich too. It rises and more surrounding air gets sucked in. The rising air cools and its moisture condenses into cloud. The entire hurricane air system can be several kilometers wide. It spins counterclockwise in northern hemisphere and it spins clockwise in the southern hemisphere. As the system spins faster and faster and calm area form its center. It is called hurricane eyes. The eyes is usually 30 to 50 km wide. Hurricanes originate over oceans in certain regions near the equator. The North Atlantic Ocean experiences many hurricanes. Hurricanes that happen over the Pacific Ocean are called typhoon. Hurricanes near Australia and in the Indian Ocean are called tropical cyclones. Most hurricanes last between 5 and 7 days. Some can last more than a month before dying out. So let's talk about fact about natural phenomena part 2. Number 1. The word volcano is derived from the name of volcano, island of Sicily, which in turn was named after Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. Number 2. The largest recorded earthquake in the world took place in Chile on 22nd May 1960. It had a magnitude 9.5 MW. Number 3. Tsunami means harbor waves. They cause no visible effect in the deep sea but cause devastation along the coastline. Number 4. A tornado that struck Kansas, USA in 1879 torn up an iron bridge and completely dried the river beneath it. Number 5. Nearly 50% of fatality caused by the natural disaster in 2012 were due to hydrological events like flooding or mass movements. Number 6. Damage path of the tornadoes can be in the excess of 1 mile wide and so miles long. Number 7. Earthquake usually happen on the edge of tectonic plates. Number 8. Earthquakes occurs when the plates get stuck but keep trying to move. So kids, tell me, what is a hurricane? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the natural phenomena part 2. If you like my video, please like it, share it, subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.